Okay. Oh, well,
There it
coming
goes.
off more or less in one piece. Hi, Eddie.
Hi.
I'm taking down the wall board from the old kitchen area,
Yes.
and I'm going to lay it down with the other pieces. Later, I'm going to process this into firewood. When I say process, it means basically I take strips of it and break it up into smaller pieces.
Yeah.
You know, and that becomes good fire starters and firewood for our outdoor fireplace out on the patio.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Yes.
here's what we're looking at.
Look at that ancient gypsum board.
Yeah, and you know, at some point on the outside, you know, we're downstairs near the back of the house, and at some point a few years ago, somebody started stealing clapboards, and I guess one of the neighbors called the police or something, and it stopped. And so, because the clapboards were gone, a lot of this, gypsum board was exposed on the other side, and it's kind of, it's kind of rotting away.
Yes.
See, it's just falling apart.
Yes.
And so what I'm doing is I'm going along. I've been moving from that direction over to here.
Right.
And you can kind of see where, at the bottom, where the wood sill structure meets the brick and concrete foundation, there's been, over the years, a lot of water's gotten in. There's a lot of water rot.
Yeah.
And I'm going to grab a pointer. Okay. This is the former sill.
Right.
And it would have been much larger.
Right.
And you can see that it's kind of rotted away.
Yeah,
and these
foundations eroded too.
Yeah, these are pieces of it that have come out. So I've cleaned this up a little bit. You can see some of the bricks underneath of the foundation wall. So basically, I'm working my way from left to right, and I'm just tearing out the old sheet pressboard paneling, which is basically this.
Right.
And often what we find behind that is this old crumbly, rotting plasterboard.
Right.
Or drywall.
Right.
And when they manufacture, they put it between pieces of paper, but if it's exposed to rain, the paper fades away and or basically decomposes, and this starts to decompose.
Right.
So, okay, so anyway, that's what I'm doing this morning. This is Sunday, November 10th, 2013, and so I'm just working my way. Here's more wall board. It's gonna, it's gonna come down. I expect to find a family of palmetto bugs behind this. But
yes.
They'll have to move and find someplace else to live.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Eddie.
Sure.